Blessed Ramadan to all of you who are fasting. Let's make this year better than last year. Most of you are probably out and about back into your usual routine. I hope you will continue to prioritize your health and make time to exercise every day. To motivate and support each and every one of you to continue to stay active during this fasting month, I've put together a 30-day Ramadan at Home workout playlist for you on my YouTube channel. The link is in the description box below. The workouts are designed to be lower intensity with a shorter duration to boost your energy and metabolism. It will also help you to maintain your muscle mass and strength throughout the fasting period. For some of you, you might be asking, how frequent should I work out? How long should the workout be? When is the best time to work out? Is it before or after iftar or before sahur? What exercises should I be doing? How can I maintain my current workout routine? I've created a video where I shared 7 tips on how to work out during Ramadan. Click on the link right here to watch the video. Be sure to watch it as it will really help you to maintain your fitness routine during this fasting month. Again, all the links will also be in my description box below. Let's make this year our best year and let's be in control of our own health and body. So share this video with your family and friends and encourage them to join you. Have a blessed month and stay safe.